Today, I am reviewing the KAMRUI E3B Mini Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been putting the KAMRUI E3B Mini Gaming PC through some intense real-world testing over the last couple of weeks, and with Prime Day finally here, this is the perfect moment to break down whether this compact powerhouse deserves a spot on your desk. If you have been looking for an ultra-small computer that can handle everyday office tasks, heavy content creation, and real casual to entry-level gaming without taking up any actual space, you're going to want to hear this. Right out of the box, the form factor is exactly what you want from a modern mini desktop. It is small, incredibly sleek, and designed to throw right into a backpack if you travel for business, or simply mount onto the back of your monitor using the included Visa bracket to keep your desk completely clean. But what makes the E3B variant stand out during this Prime Day shopping event is the serious hardware upgrade packed inside this tiny chassis. At the heart of this machine is the highly efficient AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor. Built on the proven Zen 3 architecture, this CPU gives you 8 physical cores and 16 threads, pulling ahead of standard mobile processors. It operates on a low-power 15-watt design, meaning it stays exceptionally energy efficient while delivering massive performance. With a base clock of 2.0 GHz and a maximum turbo boost that cranks all the way up to 4.5 GHz, it provides an instant burst of speed the second you open a heavy application or start multitasking. Speaking of multitasking, KAMRUI absolutely loaded this specific configuration. It comes with a massive 32 GB of DDR4 RAM pre-installed, and if you ever need more down the line, the motherboard actually supports expansion up to 64 GB. Having 32 GB out of the box means you can run complex virtual environments, open countless browser tabs, and stream high-definition video simultaneously without the system ever breaking a sweat. For storage, you get a generous 1 TB M.2 solid-state drive, which ensures lightning-fast boot times and plenty of room for your game library and media files, expandable up to 4 TB. Graphics performance is handled by the integrated AMD Radeon graphics unit featuring Vega 8 architecture running up to 2000 MHz in turbo mode. While it is not going to replace a massive $1,000 dedicated desktop graphics card for maximum settings AAA gaming, it delivers incredible entry-level performance. It easily handles popular esports titles, casual games, complex 3D rendering software, and light video editing workloads. The multi-core layout ensures that during high-load scenarios, you're getting desktop-level performance in a chassis that fits in the palm of your hand. One of my favorite features during testing has been the triple monitor support. The port selection on this device is incredibly extensive. You get a dedicated HDMI port, a display port, and a fully featured USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port on the front. This combination allows you to power a triple 4K high-definition display setup simultaneously. For content creators, day traders, or office professionals who need maximum screen real estate to look at spreadsheets and video feeds at 60 Hz, this functionality is a massive game changer. Connectivity is top tier as well. It features built-in dual-band Wi-Fi 6, which operates roughly 3 times faster than older Wi-Fi 5 configurations, providing stable, low-latency wireless internet perfect for streaming 4K content. You also get Bluetooth 5.2 for all your wireless mice, keyboards, and headsets. On the back, there is a dedicated physical gigabit Ethernet network port, making this machine an excellent candidate for a dedicated home server, firewall, or advanced virtualization setup. The build features plenty of physical ports, including 2 10 gigabit per second USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports right on the front for fast external drives, for additional USB ports on the back, and a 3.5mm audio jack. It also supports advanced enterprise features like Wake on LAN, RDC Wake, and Auto Power On. Ultimately, the KAMRUI E3B proves that you do not need a giant, hot, noisy desktop tower to get serious computing power. It runs quiet, stays incredibly cool under heavy multi-core loads, and packs enough memory and storage to last you for years. If you want to maximize your value this Prime Day, this mini gaming PC delivers massive performance for your money and is easily one of the smartest tech upgrades you can find right now.